Okay, so in today's automation, I built a chatbot for clientele hotel, and what I did was first of all I fetched the data from that website using Firecrawl's API. I fetched their links like their contact us page and all those pages, and then I splitted them out using the split out node, and then I was using Server API for crawling through those pages and fetching the data out in markdown format. And then I was using two if conditions. First of all, I was getting the data, if whether the data is really being extracted out of that page, or is there some stuff like cookies are strictly necessary or page not found. If pages contain this type of text, it should not be moved forward. And then there is another if condition in which I'm checking if the text there in that page exists, or if the markdowns exist, and if the metadata exists or not. And after those all blocks, I'm feeding that data to my Supabase account. I generated another document for this whole website. And after fetching this data using my Gemini embedding 004, I used 004 specifically because it is in less dimensions. First of all, around 768 dimensions, and then it is, if the data is in English, then it is better to use an embeddings like Gemini, because it compresses the data by that which we save our tokens, and even the data is extracted in reflexes in milliseconds, which is a little bit faster than normal dimensions, as OpenAI's GPT uses, which is 1500 something dimensions, which is for broader scope, in which it supports multilingual multilingual and all that stuff. And then after feeding the data to my Supabase, I was using chat trigger to chat with that Supabase. And when I chatted with it, I was what I did was I asked it, what do you offer in general as a room service, like Wi-Fi, etc. So I was inquiring about the services they offer in general in all rooms. And this is their website. It has mentioned all room features: free Wi-Fi, a flat screen TV, and a refrigerator and air conditioning. And then here it fetched the data out of this Supabase and gave me the answer. So I've tested it before, and it is working fine. So this is for today's automation. And if you want the JSON, just DM me and I'll give you the demo and even the JSON as well. Or if you want a chatbot for your website or something like that, yeah, sure, contact me, DM me, and I'll be there. Sure, we'll be happy to assist you further. So thanks for watching.